Ever wondered how things work? Have you ever looked at a smart light or a simple robot and wondered how does that work? What is controlling all those lights, motors, and sensors? Today, we are diving into the brain behind so many DIY electronics, Arduino. What is Arduino? Arduino is a small microcontroller board. Think of it as a tiny computer that can take in information and respond with action. It reads inputs like whether it is light or dark, how far something is, or even if a button is pressed, and gives you outputs, like turning on an LED, moving a motor, or making a sound. The beauty of Arduino is in its simplicity. It is open source, which means anyone can use and build on it. And it's made for beginners, so whether you're a student, hobbyist, or just curious, Arduino makes it easy to bring your ideas to life. Now, let us look at the Arduino Uno board layout and understand each part. USB port, used to upload code from your computer to the Arduino. Power jack, used to supply power when not connected to USB. Microcontroller, 8MB328P. This is the brain of the board which runs your code. Digital pins 0 to 13, these can read or output digital signals on or off. PWM pins, these pins support pulse width modulation, great for dimming LEDs or controlling motor speed. Analog pins A0 to A5, used to read varying voltage signals like those from temperature sensors or potentiometers. Ground and 5 volts and 3.3 volts pins, used to power components like sensors and modules. Reset button, pressing this will restart your code. How Arduino works. 1. Write your code in the Arduino IDE. 2. Upload the code via USB to the board. Arduino starts executing the instructions as soon as it is powered on. The IDE uses a language similar to C++ and has two main functions: void setup, this runs once. Void loop, this keeps running. This code blinks an LED on pin 13 every second. Why use Arduino? Easy to program using Arduino IDE. First, the software is free. It is called the Arduino IDE, and it is made for coding simple logic with ease even if you have never programmed before. Lots of tutorials and community help. The community is massive. Whatever project you are dreaming of, someone has probably tried it. You will find tutorials, forums, and videos everywhere. Works with sensors, displays, motors, and more. It connects to so many components such as sensors, buttons, buzzers, displays, motors, you name it. It is like a playground for inventors. Real-life applications. So, what can you actually do with an Arduino? Imagine this: a smart lamp that turns on when it gets dark. An automatic fan that adjusts based on room temperature. A motion sensor alarm for your room. A robotic car that avoids obstacles. A plant watering system that knows when your soil is dry. The possibilities are endless. Arduino is great not just for fun DIYs, but for learning real-world tech skills. If you can imagine it, you can prototype it with Arduino. What you'll need. Let's say you're ready to get started. What do you need? Arduino board. Example is Arduino Uno. An Arduino board, the Uno, is a great one for beginners. A USB cable to connect it to your laptop or PC. Arduino IDE, which is the software you use to write and upload code. Proteus simulation software. It is good to simulate your prototype before implementation. Proteus is easy to start with if you are a beginner, it helps you to simulate. Finally, get some basic electronic components. Start with LEDs, resistors, push buttons, maybe a temperature sensor, and jumper wires. You can buy beginner kits online with everything bundled. That is your crash course on what Arduino is and why it's such a powerful tool for makers. Whether you want to build a gadget, automate your room, or just learn something new, then Arduino is a great place to start. In the next video, I'll walk you through installing the Arduino IDE, Pro Tools, and writing your first program to blink an LED. It's simple, satisfying, and the perfect first step. So, subscribe to AEL, stay tuned, and let's learn, build, and create.